Hey, just sitting back late at night, watching a bit of YouTube, more recordings of security cons, and I'm going to have a play with this American 1100 series. I'm going to have a go with this Peterson jam, if I can get it into a position in the lock that feels, there we go, kind of comfortable. Get it back at the back of the lock. There's a slight bit of counter rotation there. Okay, I'm finding it a little hard to move. Oh, tension tool, stay. A little click. Go back to the back of the lock again and see what else. Whoops. See if I can make that a better view for the camera. Just trying to feel for anything that feels like it wants to move. Give me that. My tension tool's slipping out. Might swap picks and go with this my trusty Tron from Sparrows. Oops. Plug started the shift and I was losing my tension tool again. Feeling of counter. Didn't push too much with it because I wasn't feeling comfortable with it. Although I might try again now. A little click. I'm going to push my tension tool back in again. Go back into the lock. Trying to wiggle myself into a comfortable position. Okay, back into the back of the lock. Okay, I'm dropping a couple of pins, I feel. Oh, a bit of a shift there. And we're open. Woohoo! Now, if I can find some tools, we'll have a go at pulling this puppy apart. I'll try this screwdriver and see if it's going to cooperate. Oh, tight screws. Again with the tight screws. Seriously, man. The bane of my freaking existence lately is these tight ass screws that don't seem to want to come out. And my wrist is still busted, so I can't put enough pressure on that thing. Ah. Damn it. It's a freaking conspiracy, man. think we got somewhere. I think that loosens it up. Yep. Alright. Miracles never cease. We actually got the bloody thing open. And there's a core. Look out. I'll put these bits aside. Oh, now I've got a freaking C-clip to deal with. All the springs are in there. We'll tip some of them out, and there they all are. And now we have the insides of this lock, a mixture of serrated spools and serrated pins. So give me a moment and I'll straighten things up and come in for a closer view. Okay, here we are with the close-up view, or the closer view. So to get on with it, we have in terms of the key pins, we have a serrated pin in 1. We have a standard pin in 2 because it's presumably too short to put a serration in. We have a serrated pin in 3, a serrated in 4, and a serrated in 5. Upstairs, for the driver pins, we have a serrated spool in 1, a serrated spool in 2, we have a serrated in 3, we have a serrated spool in 4, and we have a serrated pin in 5. And the springs, all the same length, quite short. I would have thought for this lock, I thought they would have been a little bit longer, but they work, so all is fine there. As you can see, the key laid out there, a little bit of low, high, low, high, low, not too bad a bitting, and as it is American, and there's probably not much I need to tell you about it. Good locks, quite a fun pick. So without going on any further, I'll just say that's what's in this lock. It's a fun pick, and I'm going to say thank you to Randy Perkins for sending it along. So peace and respect to you. Be good. Catch you on another day. Bye for now.